Traditional dentures have been around for thousands of years. Different materials have been used throughout history, including animal teeth. In today's day and age, the majority of dentures are made out of acrylic. Modern-day prosthodontics and material advancements allow us to provide our patients with natural-looking smiles that last longer than ever. So what exactly is a traditional complete denture? A traditional complete denture is used when a patient no longer has any teeth remaining on either the upper arch, the lower arch, or both. The idea is that the denture is molded with the use of the soft tissue and muscles to get an intimate fit to the ridge. A seal is created in the soft palate so that the denture can have suction to the ridge in the upper arch. This allows the denture to stay in and to be used for functioning without falling out. The lower denture can often have retention issues due to the complexities of the tongue and muscles of mastication. Oftentimes, patients choose to use denture adhesive or dental implants to improve the retention of the denture. The question is, who would benefit from traditional complete dentures? The ideal candidate is someone who is looking for a cost-effective and fast way to replace their teeth with minimal surgery. At Vivid Prosthodontics, our in-house dental laboratory crafts your denture from start to finish, ensuring a natural-looking result that's built to last. Included in the process of making your final denture is multiple appointments to ensure the best fit possible. One of these appointments includes the fabrication of a wax try-in where we can verify the size, shade, and aesthetics prior to making the definitive denture. Once you're happy with the wax try-in, our in-house laboratory will fabricate the definitive prostheses for insertion at your very next appointment. Over time, your mouth is going to change. This includes bone resorption and soft tissue changes. In order to correct this, the denture is hollowed and a realigned material made out of acrylic is placed, and the denture is then refitted to your soft tissues to improve the fit and retention. Dentures can last a variable amount of time depending on the wear of the teeth and the fit of the denture. Oftentimes, dentures can last for an average lifespan of 5 to 7 years. At first, it can be difficult to speak and chew with your new dentures, but over time and with practice, it will feel more comfortable and natural. Crafting dentures is as much of an art as it is a science. Results are often based on the dental care provider. Prosthodontists undergo 3 years of additional training specializing in replacing missing teeth. This allows us to provide you with the most natural looking and best fitting denture. Traditional dentures are a fast and effective way of replacing your missing teeth. For more information, visit VividDental.ca and find out if dentures are a good fit for you. My name is Dr. Arif Sumar. Thanks for listening.